Are you ready, Jen? For your first cold plunge?
It's ready as all for
feel it first.
You're gonna get in first?
It's actually not that cold.
Then get in.
No,
He wants to get in. Oh, yeah.
Too cold for me. I'm not gonna go in. It's like
Gosh, okay.
I'm gonna go in the hole instead.
It's not that bad.
Mom, dive in.
Sorry. Okay.
Dive in.
Watch out, Cove. He's just not gonna dive in.
I'm not, you can't dive in.
Okay, let's start the timer.
I don't think. Okay. Are you supposed to go all the way down?
Yeah.
Like all the way down?
Yeah, sit down.
You gotta bend your knees up.
Sit down, yeah, put your knees forward.
Is it
Focus on your breathing. Breathe in through your nose and then out through your mouth. Big breaths through your mouth and calm ones through, or big ones through your nose, calm ones through your mouth. Go back more. So if you need to get out, you can. 35 seconds. You want to get your shoulders in too.
I know, I'm working on that.
That just laid out on that lawn chair or whatever when we were in the jacuzzi.
I did it.
Like
Floating time.
the guy was like, all right, the challenge is you lay on the lawn chair for like a minute.
Stop, Cole, back up.
Liners that they had, and it was all filled with snow, and she did it.
Oh,
like,
nice.
Wow, when you're a kid, what you'll do, right? Good thing you didn't fill it up anymore, huh?
Yeah. Overflow.
And that's like, I don't even know like fit nothing.
I know, what is it? What am I at?
What?
Ollie, why you want to
You're at 45 seconds.
Okay.
Why you want to
Warming up a little bit.
But
It's
that's
so
actually-
cold.
No, my toes and fingers are really cold.
Really?
You look like you
My
have
arms are
goosebumps.
like out.
Yeah, you gotta put those in too.
I know, I'm not doing it next time.
I will blow out
Next
your
time.
Sit
chain
back and relax.
Oh my god, I gotta feel like my arms.
Does it feel good?
It feels cold.
Do you want to keep going or what?
Is she at a minute?
She's at 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Really? Wow, that's crazy.
Oh,
Time
thanks.
flies,
Thanks.
man.
Thanks, Annie.
I could only stay in there for 2.
Yeah, and they've been doing it for like 6 weeks, I think.
But my shoulders aren't all the way in.
Yeah,
I
and
feel
her
like it's
shoulders
different.
aren't always in.
Yeah.
All in.
I'm not doing that yet.
Stop, guys. Are you guys gonna get in next?
Nope, not me. It's
Stop putting that on my back!
What?
Yeah, it looks like you're pretty cold. I can see the goosebumps on your back.
Okay.
Good? I mean, I think even a minute is